We recently celebrated our 100-year anniversary with IBM. And I can't think of a better way to celebrate than by leveraging IBM technology to make our buildings smarter. When we first took this concept to Sam Palmizano in 2009, he loved the idea. But he said, we should start within IBM, make our own buildings smarter. Lead by example. And that's exactly what we did.
We've had a long history of energy management innovation at IBM. Our traditional approach toward energy management had been to optimize individual pieces of equipment in our buildings for maximum energy efficiency. As we look forward, we are adding a layer of software and analytics technology above the individual systems, taking a more integrated approach to optimizing the total system. And through this technology, we were able to see things that previously we were not able to see.
We chose the IBM complex in Rochester, Minnesota, as a pilot location for the smart building solution. This location is the 7th highest energy consuming location for IBM, and it is very well run. So we thought if the smarter building solutions works there, it will be successful anywhere.
Rochester as a location is 3.2 million square feet. We have a number of different space types, including office, data centers, hardware and software labs, manufacturing, and warehouse. The site is over 50 years old and was built with multiple additions going through from 1956 to the current footprint we occupy now. During the last 10 years, we have over-exceeded our energy saving target, making Rochester an ideal location for an intelligent building management solution to be installed here.
In the smarter building space, IBM works with a number of partners who are experts in facilities equipment and facilities operations. In this particular case, we worked with Johnson Controls, who started with a site facilities walkthrough and determined what pieces of equipment were in the building, what data points could be gathered from those pieces of equipment, on which protocols, etc. IBM works with all of these partners to really provide the best, an end-to-end solution to our clients around smarter buildings.
What we did is we took our top using air handling equipment because we knew they drove an extensive amount of our energy load on site. And we were able to take that data, interconnect it with IBM software in a new way, add a layer of analytics on top of it to create new information that we had not seen before. This automates that process, and as soon as something fails, it alerts the maintenance people with a work order to go out and address those issues on a real timely basis. It's truly a paradigm shift in building management and how they'll be managed and operated.
The Rochester pilot results were very encouraging. The Rochester pilot taught us that we could save up to 8% or more on critical high energy using pieces of equipment at the facility. The savings we saw in the pilot came in 3 primary areas. The first was set point calibration deviations. The second was excessive energy usage on specific pieces of equipment. And the third was simultaneous heating and cooling. It is because of these results that we've now decided to roll out the solution to 10 locations in IBM in 2011 and an additional 18 locations in 2012.
We put together a rich set of capabilities to address energy efficiency and to optimize buildings, operations, and space. We're also teaming with the leading manufacturers or leading providers of building equipment as well as control systems, so that the IBM solution can readily integrate into the client existing infrastructure. So we have the solutions and the expertise to implement them. When you think smarter buildings, think IBM.